A pre-Christmas dinner test, trying out all my recipes and making sure the courses all fit together. So do come and join us at the table. I've added a few of the recipes, but a lot of things just use your imagination. Have fun. And Merry Christmas, everybody. And this is where it gets serious, all the last minute bits, because today is the day. But I'm pretty sure that it'll all go well. So it's just nice to have control of the situation. Just a handy tip, wasabi and ginger. Now, when we order sushi in every now and then, and we get these little containers, and they contain the extras that you need to go with the sushi. And I just thought, I've still got some of that. I have made some wasabi mayo, using some of the wasabi out of that container because we didn't use it all. And I have just very finely sliced thin strips and added a wee bit of the ginger stem syrup, so I can add that to my dish and just zip it up a wee bit. So just a thought. This will be the first taste we'll have. There's cranberry pate will be wrapped in this thin bacon, beautiful bacon. Then on the dish will be some rocket and some onion compote, dribbled with some balsamic cream. Yummy, yummy, yummy. A delightful bite. Wrap the pate in the bacon. Bake it gently, crunchy crisp. Serve it on a one-bite spoon. I'm going surf and turf this year, so we've just had a meaty snack and now a fishy snack. Oh, I love prawns, don't you? Put the chorizo in the fry pan first, let the oil leak out, and then fry the prawns. A wee salad in the bottom of the bowl, and you've got a lovely second snack. From the fishmongers this morning, so I will be cutting it up finely for the tartare. And no matter how well your fishmonger fillets the fish, always check for the last little bones, because there'll always be something there. It's a beautiful fish, and yes, I did take out a few tiny little bones, but that will be fine. It'll be a lovely dish for four. I'm calling this turkey Waterloo instead of beef Wellington. So I'll get cracking. I'm just searing the meat. I'll turn it over in a minute, and then it'll go into this pot and into the oven just to partially cook. This is my take on beef Wellington. Now, it may not be a turkey, but it is a bird. So that's the wine that I will pour over now. And I've added some onion. Lovely, lovely. Now, before I seared the meat, I actually sliced it here and made an envelope, put some thyme and rosemary and cranberry sauce in there. Then I pinned it shut with those wooden toothpicks. So in the oven it goes. The meat is perfect, so I'll let that cool now. And here is all I need to make the duck zel.